Now I'm going to add the rolling left hand, rocking left hand. And we're going to try to play that rhythm in the right hand with a rocking left hand. This is really going to take you up like 10 notches in your keyboard playing. Okay, now let's do it real slowly, just the first measure for a second. I'm going to go quarter, eighth, low, rest, eighth, quarter. And actually, let's make it even easier by doing just a G triad. Quarter, eighth, low, rest, eighth, quarter. And it can be really helpful to just stop and try to align that left hand with the right. And you know that the left hand is all eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now it's time for us to get in the game and try it. We're going to do only the one chord, that's the G chord, and you're going to do 2 measure phrase with a rolling, rocking left hand. 1, 2, you try.